Hi everybody, my name is Matt Elliott. I'm here at Guaranty in Junction City, Oregon to show you a new Forest River Rockwood tent trailer. This is a dynamite tent trailer and it has slide outs. You'll see all that when we go inside. But I want to say something about tent trailers. With tent trailers, they've all got a real similar look inside. There's a variety of floor plans, but in pretty much every one of them, the bunks are in the end and the kitchen's in the middle and there's some seats. And so the biggest difference between one tent trailer and another, in my view, is how well it's built. And this product we've been carrying here since I started in 1992, and it's an outstanding trailer. Let's take a look inside and then I'll show you around the outside. Now this one here is the Freedom series. And see, it's got a full-size door and it's got a screen door. This is all one piece. It's not one that splits into two parts. It's very easy to put in and out, to set up and down, and also it is solid. So when you walk in and out of this, it feels a lot more like a regular door. It's great. So, first thing I just want to show you is how spacious this trailer is. And of course, tent trailers tend to be lighter. So if you're looking for something lightweight to tow, in a tent trailer, you're going to get a lot more room for your money, a lot more sleeping spaces and living spaces. Little trailer that weighs this much doesn't have any room at all. So what we have is we have the bunk heads going out at both ends. These are both great big king beds, and you've got seating area here, and you've also got a dinette booth. Now I have this folded down as a bed right now so that you can see. It'll be very easy to sleep 6 people in here. You see that there is this privacy curtain here. The way this is set up, you can have a porta potty right here, and then there's privacy areas so that you can, you know, go to the bathroom and not have people all over you. We've got, with the tent trailer, the nice thing, we can zip all the sidewalls and windows down and really get a lot of fresh air in here. That's great for ventilation too, makes it nice and fresh. As we come around the dinette, we see there's storage underneath here. All storage under there. And then over here we have, this is a barbecue. It comes with the barbecue, so you have indoor, outdoor cooking choices. There's a refrigerator. And here is your galley, which actually sets into a little slide out. You have a little sun window that comes out here. It's really nice. And 2 burner stove. And it's also kind of nice. This is a little bit higher. It's not down lower like some of the tent trailers. The countertops are pretty low. Now I want to say that these mattresses are heated mattresses. So one of the best things about these is that you can use them more into the winter. Especially, it's nice if you have an electrical hookup. You can plug in and you heat up your mattresses, and you can really extend your camping period that way. Let's take a look outside. Now with the Forest River, one of the great things about this rig is that this canvas here at the end of the bunk is attached. So when I pull my bunk out, the canvas stays right where it's supposed to be. It's not going to snag or tear or give you any trouble. And this bottom part here actually velcros into place. So it doesn't use bungee cords, it uses Velcro, and you get a continuous seal. That's going to keep spiders and bugs and stuff from coming up into your sleeping area. And then this drops down and we get a nice little storm flap here. Now you'll notice that this is all vinylized material, and it's great to have that because wetness, moisture is going to dry right off as soon as it isn't raining. So this is already almost dry. We had some rain this morning, and that way when you air it out, then you can put it away nice and dry. You don't have to worry about any moisture buildup in your coach as long as you store it dry. That's the thing about this canvas. Now if you come out here, might be hard for you to see. Oh, I guess you could really well from this end. This is a solid one-piece roof. There's no seam up there on the roof, and so there's no place in the center of the coach where you're likely to get a leak. Tent trailers used to always have that big seam up the middle. This is a heavy-duty roof. In fact, it's got a rack on top that's suitable for kayaks or bikes. Now, I mentioned the slide outs. This has a slide out here, and there's a storage area here that goes into the back underneath that booth dinette. Another thing this has is it has a 6-gallon hot water heater. A lot of tent trailers don't have a hot water heater at all. It's nice to see this because of course you're going to still be doing dishes and things like that when you're camping. And then the other thing on this is we have a great front storage area that goes all the way across. It's accessible from the top here if your trailer's closed down and your bunks are put away. And we also have an outside shower. That's dynamite. It's got a cable hookup here. One thing I also like about this is that the electrical cord is removable, so I can store it when it's not in use. And I don't have a hole in the side of my trailers where maybe a mouse would want to come in. That's a nice feature too. Now you see here we've got dual tanks for the propane, and this has a power lift mechanism for the roof. So you hit a button and the roof goes up. It's very, very easy to set these up. It works great. Also the other thing that's interesting about these guys is that mechanism for the lift is all external. It's all out on the hitch. It's not built up into the body somewhere, and there's less cables and pulleys. This has a really long warranty on its lift mechanism, and so it's very solid state. That's just a little bit of a thumbnail of our Rockwood tent trailer. I hope you really enjoyed the video, and I'd love to talk to you more about these in person. So if you have any questions, give me a call. My name's Matt Elliott. My number is 541-954-8495. You have a great day.